Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now you see the box, you see the 18 circle. This is the last one out of the pack that I'm reviewing tonight. I'm tired. So what we got is the Air Jordan 18 Retro in the yellow ochre colorway. That's how it's pronounced. Ochre. Alright? So here it is. The Air Jordan 18 Retro yellow ochre. Now, I'm not a fan of this color, but I still think it's pretty clean. You know, it's nice. You got the all suede smooth upper. You got the canary yellowish like color, but they call it yellow ochre, so we're gonna go with that. You know, as you look at the back, you see the 9 blocks Jordan in yellow. You see the carbon fiber running along the bottom in sail colorway. I mean, man, it is what it is, man. It's not really too much more that I could say. Under the bottom, you see you got sail and yellow ochre. Pretty self-explanatory. You see all along the bottom, you have carbon fiber unit, Jumpman. On the tongue, this one, on yeah 74G. I don't think that's a 6. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at it again, man. But it is what it is, man. They replaced the 23 with a few special things. I don't know the significance behind them. So like I said in the other videos, man, when y'all find out, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Because I would love to know that. Looking at the other shoe, they're exactly the same. No difference between the two. You know what I mean? So that's pretty much it, man. You know, it done got late. I'm tired trying to do these videos for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all appreciate it, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that was my look at the Air Jordan 18. This is the yellow ochre colorway. Go ahead and check out the other 2 videos. I reviewed the other 2 out of the pack. The pack comes with the yellow pair, the blue pair, and the orange pair. But anyway, man, y'all go follow us on Instagram at PetlersAir504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holla back.